Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and move photos from iCloud to your phone storage. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To move photos from iCloud to iPhone, you can either download all photos by turning off iCloud Photo Sync and choosing download photos, or download specific ones via iCloud.com/photos. So simply go ahead and open Safari, head into iCloud.com/photos, just like that. And once you're in this page, make sure that you are logged in into your account right over here. Once you're logged in, you can simply go ahead and select the photos and then simply go ahead and download it right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.